Hello everyone, today I will show you how to flip or mirror text in Adobe Illustrator. Open your Illustrator file. Now click on the selection icon and simply select your text. Now select Windows option, Active Properties. Here we will find this flip option. This is horizontal flip and see this. And this is vertical flip. If you do not select, you will not find your flip icon. Firstly, you have to select a text. Now you can find your flip icon and see this. In this way, you can flip all of these text as you like. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and comments.